Honourable Minister, you have the floor.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Honourable Speaker, I thank the Honourable Member for that question, because certainly the question brings to fore something that is globally a problem, and that is the problem with measles. We've been very fortunate in Fiji that even though there's a resurgence globally, and there have been deaths in countries especially, and even in some first world countries, we haven't, to that extent, have seen it resurge in Fiji. One of the reasons why there's been no resurgence in Fiji is the fact that we have a measles immunization that happens at 9 months. This is began in 1982. And also, we had a measles supplementary immunization that happens to our children who are beyond 10 years age. So, in essence, this gives us more than 96 to 97% immunity within our population, and this is called herd immunity. In first world countries where measles is making a resurgence, it's resurging in clusters in areas in which parents may have chosen not to have measles vaccination, and therefore measles is making a resurgence in these areas. I have heard maybe about 3-4 weeks ago, there was one particular case that was a worry, but this was a person who came from overseas, was picked up by our staff, and actually appropriate examination, quarantine was done until that person left again. But at this moment in time, I'm glad to be able to say to the public and also to this August House that measles hasn't made a resurgence in Fiji, and our collective efforts in terms of immunization and the fact that we encourage our children to be immunized has given us a herd immunity. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.
Thank you.